Throwing a Halloween party? We don't need to spend to scare our guests. Before you make a deal with the spirit under a street lamp, reconsider what you're spending your money on. Just a few grisly home decor details will do the trick. Enchanté and welcome to Spooky Budget, where we will usher in All Hallows Eve with elegance for less. A haunted home is most impactful when a few key details are a bit off. To achieve this desired effect, we'll be brewing up a few frightful substances. Today's agenda, fake blood 3 ways. Why spend the family fortune on a prepackaged product when you can brew up a variety of cost-effective formulas in your own cauldron at home? We're going to knock down all this marble and we're going to put in a mud room. Your guests will think you've had the place decorated, and you'll say to them, well, I have. I've had it decorated. To start, a ghastly oozing substance that you can make in any desired hue. But today, we're going for a chartreuse. It's all the rage this fall. This recipe is great for surfaces, clothing, even walls, as it washes away clean. It is not, however, edible. For that, we will consult a second recipe. Swapping the soap out for chocolate syrup and the green for red food coloring, we can create an edible formulation that you can use on your face, your body, in cooking, and more. And if this recipe is too messy for your upholstered home, don't worry, we've got a third recipe. Once these simple ingredients are mixed, you can create splatters, handprints, and more by transferring a thin layer of the formula to a silicone baking sheet. This dries clear, by the way. It's that easy. With these 3 simple potions, we're able to ready the house for our guests. It's the bougiest way to summon the Halloween spirit, but I prefer to keep the home ready year-round. Oh, look, they love it. I must go get my camera. I was resurrected. However, my butler was not. A haunted home? Now that's bougie.